Default view in Jira. So today we'll talk about once you are logging in your browser. Okay, like this. Let me log out first. Okay, click on login again. Okay, so I will provide my username and password. Which page will open? How can I get to know? Or once just click on login, Jira test. You can see this page is coming, means the dashboard is coming, but I don't want the dashboard. I want issue viewer. I want to open this board one. This should be open. How can I do these changes? It's very simple. Just click on here. You can see my Jira Home. Here it's showing the dashboard I have selected. Let me select the issue viewer. Okay, this one I have selected. Let me log out again, login. See, now it's opening. Dashboard is not opening. So like this you can select your default Jira Home. Thank you for watching.